This one right here might be the best budget rugged smartwatch that you can get right now. And this is the Cosbit Tank M1 Pro. Now, Cosbit is normally known for its smartwatches, either budget ones, normal and rugged ones, and full 4G Android smartwatches. And this one right here is one of the rugged ones. And normally, rugged smartwatches are known for its toughness, durability, long battery life and stuff like that, and the compact design. But this one right here brings a whole lot more to the table. Now, before we start with the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel right quick. It really helps me out a lot. And now let's get started. Now, as I already mentioned, the Cosbit Tank M1 brings a whole lot more to the table than just being super durable. Now, compared to this older previous model, the Tank M1, we get quite a few upgrades, and one of them is that we finally have a built-in mic and a speaker. Right on the side of the watch, you can see the mic and speakers, and they work surprisingly well. Once you did the setup and connected your watch to your smartphone, you might think you can start right away. But in order to use the call function, you have to pair the M1 Pro call to your Bluetooth device list, and once you did that, you're ready to go. Now, if you swipe to the side of the watch, you have three options. I can either check out the call records and see who called, and if I want to, I can even start a call from right here as well. Next up, the dial pad, pretty much standard. I can punch in the number I would like to call and press the green button to start a call. Something to mention is that during the call, you can adjust the volume of the sound, you can mute the call, and of course you can hang up from over here as well. Also, you can switch the call over to your smartphone and continue the call over there. And as last, you can sync your contacts in the Fit app and look at them on your smartwatch to make a quick call. By the way, since you have built-in speakers, you can listen to all kinds of sounds. If it's your music from your smartphone, if it's voice messages from WhatsApp, or you can even hear the game sounds from your apps. Alright, next up, let's talk about the toughness of this watch. First up, this watch is water resistant up to 5 ATM. It is impact resistant, corrosion resistant, salt spray and dust resistant, and you can actually put it in the pan and cook it on 70 degrees Celsius or put it in the freezer, and it will still work afterwards. And all of that comes with a 1.72-inch display, a plastic metal body, a very sturdy silicone strap, and a pretty long battery life of up to 10 days on normal usage and 50 days in standby mode. As for last, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge it, and it's compatible with iOS and Android smartphones. So if you look at this watch, we have two physical buttons. The lower one takes us to the app menu and back, or by long pressing it, it opens up our exercises. And the top button only turns off the screen. Now we can swipe down to get to our quick panel. Right here we have the theater mode, brightness settings, and a camera feature. So that's actually a remote camera shutter. We only have to open up the Fit app, and once we press the camera shutter, it will automatically open up the camera on your phone, and you can instantly start taking pictures of whatever. Next up, if we swipe down from your home screen, we get to our notification center, and you get notifications from just about every app on your smartphone. Now, if you don't want that to happen, open up the Fit app and look for your notifications. Now you can just toggle off all of the apps that you don't want to get notified by and keep the ones on that you need. But just like with most budget smartwatches, there's no way that you can actually reply to any messages. If you swipe right, the watch opens up a little sidebar with a few of your smartwatch features for quick access. So I can just touch any of these icons to get to those apps. Actually, not a bad idea. And if we swipe left, we can circle through some of the features like the step counter, sleep tracker, the heart rate tracker, which you, by the way, can set to only track every 30 minutes to save some of your battery life, or you can make it track every 5 minutes. Or if you really want to, not at all. Next up, the sport modes. The Cosbit Tank M1 Pro has 24 sport modes in total. So we have all of the basics covered, but also things like fitness-related activities, winter sports, dancing, golf, and water sports. So there's nothing that this watch hasn't. And all of these sport modes tracks your steps, distance, burn calories, and your active minutes. So nothing fancy right here, but something that is fancy, and that is the blood pressure detection. So that's a feature that I have never seen or not seen on many budget smartwatches. The only time you get this feature normally is if you buy a smartwatch that costs at least $200. But since I have no way of confirming the accuracy, I just have to believe it, but still a cool feature. The Cosbit Tank M1 Pro also tracks your SpO2 level on demand, and you have a little weather app with a weather forecast for the next couple of days. All right, up to the next feature, and those are the watch faces, of which we get quite a lot. Now you can either get to your watch face by long pressing the home screen and swipe left and right from over here, or you can check out the Dafit app and click on watch faces over here. On the first page you have all the existing ones on your smartwatch, but if you click on discover more dials, you get to a whole new page with numerous watch faces, and each of them has its own number so you can find them a little bit faster. Like, hey buddy, I really like the watch face 4960. Instead of saying I like the watch face with the water animals and the blue and yellow colors. Like if I would ever find this one. And guys, that's already it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, see you next time. Peace.